Para ibigin. Kaya pala sensi.
First possession, True Vines. Samson, 2 points.
Samson. Nasaan ka?
Ay, sorry po.
Number 4, wala. Rebound Gonzalez. Alcantara, 2 points. Number 49. Sige lang yung press. Short. Rebound number 7, 2 points.
Una ako siya.
Sige lang kuya.
Tulog ko muna ako.
1 or 2.
Gonzalez, pass to EG. Wala. Rebound number 14. Pinasa kay number kay Seretas. Number 14. Wala. Rebound number 7. Pinasa kay steal by EG. Pass to Rosales. Rosales, 2 points. Number 14, pass to number 49. For 3, wala. Rebound Evan. Pass to Samson. Still by Seretas. Seretas. Still by Gab. Gab pass to Marvin. 2 points. Seretas, pinasa kay Campaner. Foul. Foul number 4. First personal foul. First team foul. Seretas, ang gab ng pabasahan. Pinasa kay number 17. Campaner. Mira, wala. Rebound, Campaner. Campaner, wala ba rin. EG. Santos is foul. Foul number 14, Seretas. First ball foul, first team foul. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds. Gab. Pass to steal by Kruger. Campaner, pinasa kay Seretas. Seretas. Short. Rebound. EG. Pass to Samson. Samson, alley pass. Intercepted by number 49, but recovered by Rosales. Pinasa kay Gab, pinasa kay Samson. 2 points. Time out. Kruger. Official score, 10-2. 8. Number 49 for 3. Wala. Rebound, pumunta kay Samson. Pinasa kay EG. EG fakes. 2 points. God Amps dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Wala. The bounce. White ball. Samson. Drive. Traveling violation.
Gilong.
Wala pa ng Giro.
Seretas. Rovira. 2 points. Rosales. Steal by Campaner. Seretas pinasa kay number 17. 2 points. Gab. Oh, turnover. Bounce. Dark ball. John Evans. Reading the ball. Pinasa kay Seretas. Pull-up jumper. Wala. Gatula. Drives. Layup. 2 points. Seretas has to number 26. Pinasa kay Campaner. Corner 3. Malakas. Rebounder 49. Wala. Alcantara. Pinasa kay Samson. Wala. Rebound Eman. Pinasa kay Rosales. Titira ng 3. Wala rin. Seretas. Pinasa kay number 49. Titira ng 3. Malakas. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Number 17, pass to Seretas for 3. Wala. Rebound Samson. Pass to Rosales. Rosales. 2 points. No timeout. No timeout. Sabi ko siya.
Tingnan mo nga lang yung may first na tayo dyan. Diyan sa bulsa. Tingnan mo, may first na tayo dyan. Tingnan mo.
Akala ko wala. Arban single.
Meron yan yung kay...
8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. Arban. Akala ko wala rebound.
Yung kulang. Ano ko siya okay lang.
Arban. Rosales. Pass to Samson. Basket. Good. May kasama pang pa. Call number 6. Akama. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Lapit mo na yun doon. Pagdupuin niya kama. Huwag siyang ngayon. Ilan score siya ito?
19. 19.
Number 49. Drives. Bumalik. Wala. Rebound. Number 14 Seretas. Titira ng 3. Wala. Rebound 49. Titira din ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound Gigi. Nila sa Mario Santos. All alone for layup. 2 points. Janos. Drive. Sinanan. Wala. Rebound. Gatgula. Pass to Samson. And of the first quarter, official score 21.
Ilugin mo. Tanong mo muna kung gusto niya yun.
Wala. Rebound number 25 Nash, 2 points. Steal by Nash. Seretas, 2 points. Rosales, pass to Samson, pinasa kay Senina, patira ng 3. Wala. Rebound to Akaba, pinasa kay Nash. Pinasa kay number 49. 2 points. 9-point lead by Truban. Senina. No look pass to Samson. Is foul. Foul number 25. First personal foul. First team foul.
25 lang din pwede ko sa amin.
Ayun o, si Nash.
Si Miss.
2 points.
Kaya nakashoot first.
Nash pass to Seretas for 3. Wala. Samson, alley-oop play. 2 points. Seretas. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Huli ka kita. Kala. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number 6. Kala. Second personal foul.
Ako na lang.
Senina drives. Pinasa kay Samson. 2 points. Number 49, 2 points. Gonzalez, pass to Senina. Steal. 2 points for number 49. Senina drives, 2 points. Foul number 13, Rosales. First personal foul, first team foul.
Open.
Still like out. Santos, 2 points. Arwas, white ball.
Mas score sa isa.
Tama. Santos.
31-16.
16 plus 2.
Santos, 2 points. Number 17, wala. Number 49 for 3, short. Rebound Santos. Senina drives, basket, good.
Get $0 delivery fees on your first order.
Foul number 17. First personal foul, second team foul.
18 na yata siguro dapat.
Oo. Hindi, 18 sila. Kasi nakascore sa si Dan Ems, tatlong ano. Dan Ems.
The shot is good. Official score, 36-19. Kalahating ang laban ng Truban. Janet, naso Seretas, pinasa kay Nash. Nash, steal by Truban. Pinasa kay Marvin. Samson all the way. Good. Seretas.
Boundary ng Samson.
Cannons for 3. Wala. Rebound Santos. Pass to Marvin. Steal by number 14, Seretas. Seretas. Tasyo Akaba. Pinasa kay number 17. 2 points. Alcantara. 2 points. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Ano naman? Semina. Pass to Samson. Pinasa kay Gatula. 2 points. Ash. Pinasa kay Aba. Aba. Sikira. Double dribble violation. Samson ulit. 2 points. Timeout. Ruler.
Ano naman siya lagi magsabi?
Serentas. Pass to Akala. Pinasa number 17. Pinasa kay 49. Giants. Argentina. Giants. 6 seconds to shoot. Serentas. 2 points. Agad na, pass to Giants. Aliu pass to Samson. What a play.
Points na.
20 points na.
Kota na.
Serentas. Wala. Giants for 3. Finally for Giants. Kala. Rebounds. Single. Giants for 3. Wala. Rebound. Nash. Wala. Rebound. Johnson. Cover still by Giants. Steal the rest. Short. Rosales. Aliu to Alcantara. Pass to Semina. Pero may foul. Foul number 6. Akaba.
Second.
Third yan. Offensive siya kanina.
Ay, open.
Third personal foul. Third foul.
Third na.
First shot is good. Second shot is good. 5 seconds remaining. Nash. And the first half. 5 for Cougar. Giants. Campanella. Nash. Number 26 and number 17. Gonzalez. Kasuichi, wala. Rebound, Nash. Number 17, kasi number 49. Giants, pass to Campanella, corner 3. Wala ka. Rebound, Gonzalez. Pass to Semina. Semina, 2 points. Giants, deep three. Wala. Rebound, Semina. Pass to Gatula. Pass to Samson, binalik kay Gatula. Wala. Rebound, Campanella. Pass 17, pass to Giants. Binalik kay Campanella, steal by Rosales. Rosales, walking it back to 1. Number 26 for 3. Short. Rebound. Semina. Pass to Alcantara. Tiratay. Basket yun. Sama bang. Foul number 26.
26. Baka masuk pa rin yung post.
First personal foul. First foul. Bonus shot for Marvin Samson, aka Longanisa. Bonus shot wala. Pero nakot na kay Eman, Tibira Andres, all boy.
Ringless boy!
Rosales for 3. Bang! Number 26. Pinasa kay Janes. Pinasa naman kay number 17. Gumay sa loob. Wala. Rebound Gatdula. Pass to Rosales. Tibira Andres. Wala. Nash against Alcantara. Wala. Rosales, 3-on-1. Alio Castro Senina, 2 points. Ampaner. Wala, rebound Alcantara. Pinasa kay Gatdula. Pass to Arbat. Sabi sa rep. Santos in, Gatdula out. Pasok. Samson, basket good. Foul again, number 26. Second personal foul. Second foul. Bonus shot for Marvin Samson. Bonus shot is good. Campanel. Pass to Janes. Tibira Andres. Malakas, rebound Senina. Senina all the way to Horns. Janes. Wala. Rebound Santos. Pass to Sales for 3. Man. Nothing but a net. Nash drives, layup, 2 points. Rosales pass to Santos. Santos, alley-oop. Black ball. Rosales. Adin Santos. Traveling violation. Santos, wala. Ay, Santos. Santos, Tibira Andres. Wala. Rebound Evan. Pass to Rosales to alley-oop to Samson. Advance. Single. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Still number 49. John Ems. Wala. Rosales. Pass to Alcantara. Open for 3. Wala. Rebound. Santos. Wala. Number 26 na sa Janes. Janes. Tibira Andres. Wala. Rebound. Number 14. Sabi to sa rep. Gatdula. Astro Rosales. Tibira Andres. Bang! Nash against Gatdula. Spins, pinasa sa loob, makaba. Pinasa kay Serentas. Fakes. Pinasa kay Campaner. Campaner. Wala. Rebound. Arbans.
Wala ka nang isang bin. Sino nagbili?
Samson.
Campaner. Spins. Steal. 2-1. Rosales. Pass to Gatula. Wala. Serentas. Pass to Nash. Arbans. Serentas pass to Nash. Nash. Steal by Alcantara. Counter steal by Nash. Nash. Wala. Rebound Santos. Senina. Gatula. Aliu Eman. Wala. Campaner. Pass to Akaba. Akaba. Sa loob. Wala. Rebound Nash. 2 points. Senina pass to Alcantara. Steal by Campaner. Steal by Campaner. Campaner. Post to post. Wala. Rebound Senina. Pinasa kay Rosales. Tira ng 3. Bang! Steal by Santos. Santos, pass to Alcantara. 2 points. Serentas pass to number 26. Pinasa kay Akaba. Akaba. Drives. 2 points. Senina. Wala. Akaba, 3-1. Akaba pinasa ng number 26. Wala. Akaba for the rebound. Short rebound Santos. Alcantara, pass to Rosales. Corner 3. Bang!
Lay up. Lima na nga kay Derek 3 points.
Di ba na ano? Binibilang ko.
26. Rebound. Rosales, isa pa? Wala. Nash still by Senina. Pinasa kay Eman. Backcourt violation. 8 seconds remaining. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Campaner. Wala. And at the third quarter, official score. Baba, pinasa kay Serentas. Pull-up jumper is wala. Rebound Samson. Pass to Rosales. Traveling violation. Number 17, Serentas, pass to number 49. Tumira Tess. In and out. Rosales, pass to Alcantara. 2 points.
PPL to eh. Melbourne ano? Filipino League.
Rosales against Serentas. Rosales. Pass to Samson. Oh, short. Serentas pass to Campaner. Campaner. 2 points. Samson. Alley-oop play. 2 points. Haba. Wala. Arwas. Lakay. Kaparer. 2 points. Dula waktu Gonzalez for 3. Man. Aba. Layup. Malakas. 3-1 gap. Pass to Gonzalez. Pinasakay na natin. Dula. Flores. Good. Seretas. Wala. 5 Giants. Wala. Giants pa rin. 0-3. Bam! Eva, pass to Samson. Kinaliwa. 2 points.
Samson, boundary.
Still by number 49. Rosales for 3. Man.
Ito na, ito. Ito.
Seretas, babawi. Wala. Rebound, Samson. Pass to Senina, Gatula. Aliyup to Alcantara, pinasakay Rosales. Isa pa. Bam!
8.
Number 70, pinasakay Akaba. Layup, 2 points.
Tira ulit ka.
Rosales. Bam!
Wala.
9.
9 pa lang, 9.
Number 49. Wala. Rebound Campanel. 2 points. Ewan, pass to Rosales. 5 feet straight. Bam! Rosales.
Mainit.
Ewan. Inutol. Campanel, pass to number 49. Wala. Goaltending. Basket 2. Goaltending violation. Sabi mo sa rep.
Kanina ko score yun, wala.
Kaya no?
Kay
Janex.
Isa pa, para 11.
Senina, pass to Rosales. Titira ng 3. Wala na. Ubos. Banner, pass to number 17, 2 points.
Sa 70 takas.
Rosales. Bang! Banner, pass to Giants. Babawi. Bang! Senina. Pass to Rosales, corner 3. Wala. Rebound. Santos. Rosales, isa pa. Bang! Seretas, pass to Akaba. Dali kay Serentas. 2 points, number 14.
11.
Ayun ko lang, baka lang ko 12.
Samson for 3. Rosales for 3. Wala. Number 49, same spot. Defender score. Serentas, 2 points for number 14.
12 na pala, boy. Man, 12.
Sanina. Nasa kanya lang tara for jumper. Wala. Arbanz, white ball. Sanina. Still, by number 17, nasa kanya Janets. Binare. 2 points. Sanina. 2 points. Serentas, titira, hindi pala. Pinasa kay Campaner. Campaner, layup, 2 points. Santos na dunk. Rosales for 3. Bang! Akaba. Number 14, wala. Lima Teman. Pinasa kay Marco. Pinasa pa kay Rosales. 4-43. Wala. Went down.
49.
On number 49, Jack Ems. First personal foul. First team foul. 3 shots for number 15, Jeric Rosales.
13, boy. Man. 13. 3 points. 13 na, 13.
13?
Gago, sobra na yung score. Paano na yan?
Sobra.
Sobra na sa shit.
Lagay mo lang. Natapos naman.
Mintis yung pangalawa, no? 13 times 3, 39 na agad, boy. 39 ba?
Oo.
John Ems for 3. Sanina. Pass to Gab. Gab. 2 points. Campaner for 3. Wala. Rebound Sanina. Pinasa kay Gab. Gab. 2 points. Serentas pasok number 49 for 3. Wala. Rebound Akaba. Akaba. Wala. Akaba pa rin. 2 points.